In case you've not been farming this PCM airdrop, then you have to get right into it now. And if you've been mining this airdrop, then you have to complete your KYC. This is a platform, the PCM Wallet. This is a platform where you can trade your Pi. As you can see, the PCM token wallet, and you're seeing Pi balance. So Pi balance mainnet, PCM token wallet, this is testnet. You can see under the wallets page here. So meaning that you can trade your Pi on this platform. They are affiliated, like I think this is a third-party platform where you'll be able to trade your Pi, and also they are distributing their own token itself, which is why we've been mining the PCM points. The points will be converted to the airdrop tokens. Also, Bondex announced their listing. So we are going right into the Bondex announcement too, and what you should do against claiming. Finally, Bondex to remember us for listing. So for this PCM, if you've not started mining, check the registration link in the description box of this video. Then this is their wallet page. You can transfer your Pi here to hold, optional. And coming down here, you are seeing Pi chain more, nft.art, pi.find, PCM live price, Pi block explorer. Like this is more or less like a Pi exchange platform. This PCM wallet is more or less like a Pi exchange platform. So if you've not started mining, ensure you get right into it now. Their KYC is ongoing for those that have been mining. And if you are just joining the mining activity, you can also be active so that you can be able to complete your KYC. So to this last page, this is where you are going to be seeing your information. So this is what we are main concerned about, this Pi chain mall. If you remember, this Pi chain mall is the Chinese mall whereby they said we'll be able to do cross-border trading. This Pi chain mall, that is what Pi is building. We'll be able to do cross-border exchange, like cross-border trading, buying and selling from other countries. That is the essence of this Pi chain mall. And of course, the explorer is to see the transaction information of activities going on the Pi blockchain. So that is and for this nft.art, this is for the NFT marketplace. So I'm trying to let you familiarize you with the information on the PCM wallet. So you don't just think is the regular. Nope, it's not. Then from on the home page here, this is where you'll be able to mine. You see, mining. And you mine every 24 hours, as you can see. The point to be converted to your airdrop rewards, and that's it. So if you have not been active, go back to your app, update your app, and start being active. If the link to sign up is not working, make use of a VPN to sign up. Use a VPN to open the link so that you'll be able to download the app. If the link to download the app is not working, use a VPN so that you'll be able to download the app, then start mining. So for the KYC here, this is the KYC option. In order to ensure the security of the account, please complete the identity authentication. You select your country, you select the ID card, you see the ID you are supposed to use. For Nigerians, make use of a nil card. Don't use nil slip. Nigerians should go and print out their nil card. Print out your nil slip into card. Make it an ID form. Make it an ID card form. If you don't use an ID card, they will not accept it. They don't accept nil slip for KYC anywhere. This is an international platform. Nobody accepts nil slip. So you have to upgrade yourself. If you don't have an international passport, you don't have a driver's license, you should have a nil card. Print your slip to a card. So you can see. So you select any of this. You see ID card and passport. Then enter the name according to your ID. Then input your ID number. Input your ID number. You select your country. Select the ID card. Input your name according to your ID card format. Then you enter the ID number. Then you click on continue. That's how to do verification on this PCM wallet. This is how to do your KYC on this PCM Wallet app. I've just given you the breakdown on what this app is all about, what it entails, and what you should expect about on this app. So now to the Bondex KYC. Okay, we have the PCM mainnet account security here. Okay, payment setup, fingerprint. I can enable fingerprint here. So more updates about this PCM will be communicated as things involved. For now, I think the only basic thing is to complete your KYC, then be actively mining, because the earnings is very little, but you have to be active so that you can earn something reasonable. So that is it. I explain everything about this PCM wallet to you guys. Now going to the Bondex. Bondex announced their TGE to be November 25th. Finally, they came back to life and they announced their TGE to be November 25th. So the listing claiming will be communicated. So what you need to do now is to update your Bondex app, then come to this quest to complete this social quest. Follow Bondex, requote our announcement on post on X. So if I click on requote, yeah, then I'll have to verify the quote. They said big news, Bondex has successfully raised $10 million in our latest investment rounds. Our funding round was led by a prominent VC such as Amunok, okay, alongside incredible, okay, they want us to requote this. Then you choose quotes. I can just put this. Then I've just requoted like that. Then maybe they will need the link. I will just view the quotes. Let me see if they are requesting for the quotes link. And I will just click on verify. So great, the task has been completed like that. So like our post, I've just liked it. So this is the update about the Bondex airdrop. Complete the profile the quest so that you can earn their points, and of course you've come too far for you to start ignoring any of their updates now. At least they've announced TGE, so that's it. So guys, this is the update about the PCM wallet and the Bondex listing. Stay tuned for subsequent updates claiming withdrawal and what have you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community and you won't miss out on any of my updates at all. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.